For further demonstration on installation, we are using a 2021 Subaru Forester. We realize that not every vehicle has a circular or square vent opening in the center console area of the dashboard. Go ahead and utilize the passenger vent. Here, we are going to show you how easy it is to attach the hose coupling to the adapter on the dash. Look for the thread that is at the edge of the coupling. Now, locate the lowest thread on the adapter. Line the higher thread of the coupling to the bottom side of the lowest thread of the adapter where there is an indentation and turn counterclockwise to securely attach. Be aware that you may need to tighten the zip tie once the adapter and foam gasket are in place or after you have used the heater. Do not over-tighten the zip tie or you may damage your vehicle's vent louvers. The kit also comes with a foam gasket that can be used to maximize the airflow going through the system. It can be cut to size with a pair of scissors. The gasket is not needed for round vents. Earlier in this video, we showed the pipe cleaner used to assist in installing the zip tie through the vent. This is an added tool. If you have a more shallow vent, simply bend the zip tie in the same manner as demonstrated with the pipe cleaner and feed through the vent. Here we are going to show you how to put a coupling on a raw end of a hose. Extend out 3 to 4 levels of the coil. It is imperative that you are aware that the hoses come with an exposed steel wire on either end of the hose. Caution needs to be used when handling the raw end, where the steel may protrude a bit as it is sharp and we don't want you to pinch or prick your fingers. Now, take the coupling and identify the thread closest to the edge. Once that has been located, insert the lip of the thread at the beginning of the hose into the coupling. You will turn the hose counterclockwise until it is snug. Please extend and retract the hose from the coupling to avoid putting undue stress on the hose, which may cause it to separate from the coupling. Also, do not extend or retract the hose straight from your vehicle's dashboard, as it may cause damage to the vent. Let's attach the hose to the bag. Extend the hose by the couplings the length that you need in order to reach the bag where you have it placed in your vehicle. Find the adapter on the bag. It utilizes the same adapter that is on the vent. Look for the highest thread on the coupling, the lowest thread on the adapter. Connect the coupling to the bag adapter and turn counterclockwise until the hose is locked in place. There you go! Your bag is attached to the Extend-A-Vent system and you are all set. Extend-A-Vent is not responsible for damage to your vehicle during installation or improper use. This product is intended for use by adults and is not a toy. We recommend removing the hose from the adapter when not in use.